Sitting here with the Nikon D750, we're going to do a little walkthrough of how to use the live view. So, turning the camera on. Camera is on. As you can see, we are in live view mode, which was just a simple click of a button. That goes back to the viewfinder. Live view mode. That's my back button focusing. To toggle the menus within live view, you're going to want to hit info here. So one, you get exposure preview, that's already on. Choose your image area, that's full frame selected. You can crop down into DX mode and then just even 1.2x mode. You can have RAW, I'm shooting RAW, picture control, delighting, remote control mode if you want to use a remote time lapse, or long exposures. But that's the basics of it. You go info here, you can look at your balance. Look at compositional wise. So what to do to toggle between camera and video on live view mode is flip a switch. You can take photos while you're using video mode, so don't even fret about that. See, for example, recording. Take a shot. So I'll tell you the recording did stop. Go back to camera. Now you're in camera specific live view mode. All right, thanks for tuning in.